Polaris Snowmobile will not start refers to when the snow machine won't activate and begin to work. Common symptoms of a snowmobile that will not start include snowmobile will not crank over, snowmobile cranks but will not start, or possibly the snowmobile starts but shuts off immediately after. In either case, this video details everything you should check if your Polaris snowmobile won't start. If you need repair information not covered here, you can instantly download a repair manual for your snowmobile at 911manual.com, or maybe obtain a manual at a local dealership. Also keep in mind that this information pertains to Polaris snowmobiles manufactured between the years of 1985 through 1995. If your snowmobile will not start, check for one or more possible malfunctions. Number 1, check ignition switch for run position. Number 2, check auxiliary shutoff switch. Number 3, check fuel supply. Number 4, check the wiring from the engine to the coils or spark plugs. Number 5, check the spark plugs. Number 6, disconnect engine connector to eliminate any shorts that might be in the system. Number 7, if starter won't work on electric models, check wires from starter solenoid and battery, or check battery and battery cables. Number 8, open or broken reed valves. Hope you found this video helpful, and leave a comment below if you need additional help, and don't forget to hit the like button.